Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog readings. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so today, I felt na gusto ni Universe gawan ko kayo ng bonus love reading. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi ang daming magandang nangyari ngayong araw. And gusto kong i-share yung good vibes and good energy sa lahat ng aking subscribers and soon-to-be subscribers. And this bonus love reading ay para sa lahat ng fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay? At habang binabalasan ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng fire signs na sumusuporta at patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Okay? So, sana tuloy-tuloy niyong supportahan ang Mystico Moreno. And like nyo na tong video at sa mga bago, um, sana supportahan nyo rin po by subscribing to this channel, by liking this video, and by engaging sa comments section. And share nyo na rin sa mga kilala nyo pang fire signs na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay nabunot ako ng 2 cards each from the recent past, present, and near future. And alamin natin kung ano masasabi kong energy from the fire signs. Okay? Fire sign din ako. So, sana supportahan niyo ang aking channel. Thank you. Okay, sige. Simulan na natin. So, dahil March ngayon, okay, binutin ko yung third card. So, sa recent past, Ten of Coins. Ooh, Knight of Wands. At the present moment, King of Coins. The Fool. Okay. And sa near future, Four of Swords. And Two of Swords. Okay. Sige. Alright. So, there's a strong energy of Aries and Aquarius sa reading na to. Yun yung nasasagap na energy. So, pwede yun yung sign ng person ninyo. But doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong na energies for this collective reading. Okay, so pwedeng any signs pa rin naman. Alright, sige. So, sa recent past, there's this Ten of Coins. Okay, and si Ten of Coins is a card of long-term commitment, settling down, okay, and a very stable energy. Merong mga unexpected gains sa connection, sa relationship. So, napakaganda ng reading na ito, nakukuha ko. Energy from the fire signs collective. So, I think in the recent past, naging stable na yung relationship ninyo. So, if currently dating kayo, so, very stable na siya and nafe-feel ko dito na parang moving on to the next level kayo. And same if you're already a couple, so magle-level up yung relationship niyo dahil stable na siya. So kayo parang both of you is a mutual feeling na gusto niyo mag-move to the next level. And as shown here by the Knight of Wands is taking action, being confident sa connection, sa relationship. Confident kayo sa isa't isa na mahal niyo yung isa't isa, na gusto niyo yung isa't isa, and you want to really level this up. Nandun na yung eagerness for you to move to the next phase or level ng relationship ninyo. Okay? And at the present moment, yun nga, nag-reflect siya at nakita siya dahil nandito yung the Fool card, which is a new beginning. All right? New beginning in a sense na new phase or new level. So, for example, kung nandito kayo sa dating stage, so the new uh, chapter of the relationship or the new phase is being a couple. Okay? So, kung kayo naman na ngayon, yung next or the new um, level is the next level, being engaged, being married, moving in together. So, and the love is so abundant. Ito no, King of Coins na siya. So, King of Coins or King of Pentacles is a card of abundance. And nafe-feel ko dito, nakikita ko dito na yung love ninyo sa isa't isa. Kaya, ano na kayo, ready na talaga kayo. And it's a mutual um, decision, okay, to level this up. Okay? So, kung engaged na kayo, nandito na kayo sa level na gusto nyo ng magpakasal and mag-settle down, and nandun din yung energy ng ni Ten of Pentacles or Ten of Coins na being together forever. Parang ganun. Okay? So, napakaganda kasi sobrang ano eh, yung King of Coins then is being faithful and pinapakita nyo talaga na okay, nandito ako para sa'yo, okay, and nandito lang ako palagi and gusto ko na magkasama tayo habang buhay. Yung ganong level, di ba? Di ba? Lalim. Okay. So, sa near future naman, so after you decided and then nandun na yung plans, at that present moment, parang nagpaplano na nga kayo din ng mas ile-level up nyo pa. And in the near future, as shown here by the Four of Swords, nabubuloy pa ako. Yan. So, sobrang dami kasi nung alam mo yun, yung enthusiasm na i-share. Parang ang daming downloads ngayon. Gusto ko siyang sabihin ng mas mabilis. Pero, ayan, sige. I'll slow down a bit. So, Four of Swords and then Two of Swords. So, especially, there will be a lot of communication between you and your person, especially with regards to leveling it up even more. So, baka may mga plans kayo for investment or plans kayo if married na kayo, plans for having a baby, um, building a family, okay? Also, or if you're currently a couple, parang baka, di ba, mag-invest kayo on something like business together, a property, or a pet, di ba? Like if you're living together, di ba? Oh, let's have a dog or a cat or something ganun. So yun yung nakukuha kong energy. And as shown here by the Four of Swords is um, there's a bit of how I would say is parang time for rest din in a way kasi di ba nga parang sobrang um, yung energy dito full of excitement, full of enthusiasm, energy. Siyempre, pag stable na rin, pag okay, nandito na tayo sa next level, in the near future, parang, sige, kalma lang ulit. Okay? Let's enjoy the moment together. Kalma lang ulit. Rest muna, pause muna. Okay? Before natin i-push yung next plan natin. Pero nandun naman siya. Nandun siya sa parang mga plano ninyo. Okay? Together. So, and then, there's a Two of Swords. There would be, yun nga, may mga, syempre, ito, habang nagle-level up ang relationship, mas nagiging seryoso. And mas, yun, nakikita niyo din talaga yung mga kailangan pang work together. Mga, for example, mga ano pang kailangan improve sa relationship, di ba? Kasi the more you level up the relationship, syempre, mas nagiging mas may mga kailangan kayong i-tweak pa dun sa relationship na para mas mag-improve pa siya and mas ma-resolve niyo whatever issues. Kasi syempre hindi naman mawawala mga challenges in a relationship. Pero the deeper yung connection din, di ba, mas gugustuhin niyo din na yung mga bagay-bagay is merong middle ground or meet halfway lagi. Di ba? Nag-meet halfway kayo. As seen here by the Two of Swords when it comes to making difficult choices. Syempre, di ba, ikaw as a individual, di ba, meron ka mga goals, may mga dreams ka as an individual. And for sure, the same with your person or your partner. And pero, ngayon na nag-decide na kayo to level this up and um, partnership na yan eh. Okay? Since partnership na yan, whatever your goals and yung mo sa goals niya, dapat mag-align lagi. And kung may differences, kailangan laging merong compromise. Merong adjustment on both sides na equal and balanced. Okay? Sige, tingnan natin yung detalye pa ng reading na ito. At habang binabalasa kong cards, okay, gusto ko lang i-remind ang lahat na this is a collective reading. And since tatlong signs pa yung um, tinatap natin na energy, so this may or may not resonate sa inyo. So if hindi siya mag-resonate, don't force it. Okay? Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. And baka yun, mag-resonate na. Or try nyong panoorin yung mga ibang videos na nasa channel ko. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Sige. Tingnan natin ang detalye. Okay. Three of Pentacles. Ten of Cups. O, diba? Ten of Coins, Ten of Cups. It's being together forever. Yeah. Sige. Seven of Pentacles. So, present. And Nine of Cups. And in the future, Four of Cups. Okay. Sige. And King of Swords. Okay. So, halos puro swords to. May mga thoughts kayo, may mga pinag-iisipan kayo dito. At may mga pag-uusapan din kayong mga bagay-bagay. Pero okay, back to the recent past. As you can see here, Ten of Cups is like kung ang Ten of Pentacles or coins is about being stable and the plans of settling down. Diba? Si Ten of Cups has a similar energy pero Ten of Cups talaga is being in union. Okay? There's emotional stability, being together. Tingnan mo, parang family siya eh, pareho. Yan, a family, there are kids here. Ito rin, family, there are kids. So, there's may energy ako nakukuha dito for some of you na, lalo na married na, that you really plan to uh, build a family, magkaroon ng kids, magkaroon ng baby, or if couple kayo to really be together, okay? And dito sa Ten of Cups, full of love. Mahal niyo lang talaga ang isa't isa. And in Three of Pentacles, as shown here, is may collaboration talaga. Na magkakaroon ng collaboration, growth, alam mo yung planning. Three of Pentacles is like planning life together eh. Okay, so itong dalawang to, nasa plano na talaga. Parang decidido na kayo na, okay, ituloy na natin siya, next level na. Okay, so nangyari na siya, recent past. Okay, napag-decision na nyo na, and at the present moment, there's a new beginning, nandun na kayo sa next level or next phase ng relationship ninyo. Okay, and nakikita ko dito sa Seven of Pentacles is may yun nga, you're reflecting on something about that. Siyempre bago 'to eh, 'di ba? Bago sa inyong dalawa kasi next phase na nga siya. So kunwari kung dating kayo tapos ngayon kayo na, 'di ba? May mga adjustments kayong kailangan gawin together. And if same thing, from engaged to married life, 'di ba? magkasama na kayo sa isang bubong, di ba? May mga adjustments talaga and it's normal in in a relationship na may mga adjustments kayong kailangan gawin. Okay? And pero dito sa Knight of Cups, okay, is yeah, there's affection. There's so much affection, and Knight of Cups has the energy as well of in the moving to the next level, and which is currently happening. But at the same time, more plans to level up. Parang yun nga, may mga uh, small details pa. Like nabanggit ko kanina, baka mag-invest kayo on some things or baka may plan nga kayo to really, ano na, sige, magkabibi na tayo. Parang ganun. So, or let's get that dog or cat, like I mentioned earlier. So, yun, nandun yung ganung energy of um, moving forward pa when it comes to sa mga desires ninyo as a couple. And in the near future, here, sa Four of Cups kasi, meron lang, yun nga, dahil may mga kailangan kayong pag-usapan and may mga kailangan kayong i-compromise. Okay? Siyempre, there will be a bit of like reflection or siyempre habang nag-a-adjust kayo, may, kuwari, ikaw, uh, may goal ka or may mga dreams ka na gusto mo pa rin i-achieve even if um, couple na kayo and same with your person. Alright? So, yung nakikita kong energy dito is, of course, pag kasi magkakaroon kayo ng conversation on what needs to be done, ano yung mga adjustments na kailangan gawin. Di ba? Magkakaroon for sure yan ng batuhan ng I wouldn't say it's a negative or bad argument, pero syempre you will sasabihin mo ano yung point of view mo, ano yung mga kailangan mo, ano yung mga plans mo um, within the relationship, and same goes to your person. Pero as you can see here naman with King of Swords, both of you are mature enough to really resolve, okay, and have a compromise and meet halfway. There's this maturity and very honest. It's a very honest conversation, and it's a good thing having honest conversations sa isang relationship. Hindi yung parang yung isa may gusto palang sabihin pero hindi masabi. Yung tuloy na iipon siya pag ano na, pag ipitan na, parang dun na ilalabas yung dapat sinabi niya before. Walang ganong energy sa connection ninyo na nakikita ko. Kasi it's very honest, it's very mature. Okay? So, yeah, it's a good reading rin, di ba? And if this resonates, yeah, claim nyo na. I mean, nag-resonate siya. And kung yung energy na to, lalo na sa near future, claim nyo na. So, before I end, yan, bubunot ako ng isang oracle card from the Forest Magic Oracle deck. And tignan natin, ano yung energy that you feel, okay, this reading. Okay. Oops. See. Okay, Primrose. So, tignan natin ano yung meaning nitong card na to. Saan ko lang siya from this. Okay, so si Primrose is a card of authenticity. Yeah, kaya dito, lalo na sa King of Swords. Kung near future siya, honest na kayo, for sure, in this, ano naman, dahil uh, hindi naman kayo magle-level up to the next phase of the relationship kung hindi kayo open and honest sa mga plans ninyo. So, authenticity and Attraction. It's also a card of attraction and passion. So, mahal niyo talagang isa't isa. Kaya, go, go, go. Claim nyo na. If you want to claim this energy, comment nyo na lang sa baba. Primrose. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Kita-kits na lang ulit sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Ingat!